Flow, a concept coined by psychologist Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, is a mental state of intense focus, effortless concentration, and deep enjoyment. When in flow, individuals become fully absorbed in their activity. Key characteristics of flow include intense focus, where distractions fade away, and a loss of self-consciousness, where awareness of oneself diminishes. Clear goals and immediate feedback help maintain engagement. Flow occurs when the challenge of an activity matches the individual's skill level, avoiding boredom or frustration. A hallmark of flow is timelessness, where hours can feel like minutes. Intrinsic motivation drives flow, making the activity its own reward. Understanding flow can enhance performance, boost creativity, and improve overall well-being. Csikszentmihalyi's research shows that flow can be experienced in various activities, from sports and arts to intellectual tasks and everyday work. Achieving flow requires balancing challenge and skill, setting clear goals, and seeking activities that are inherently rewarding. By fostering moments of intense focus and satisfaction, we can enrich our daily lives.